Hello, we have another repair here. This is a relay replace for Ford Expedition. I think it's an 0604. The problem with these fuse boxes is the fuel pump relay. There is one of these, I don't know if you're able to see it here. Is this relay in the middle here. They overload and burn out. Then your car start shut it off or it don't start. There's a lot of problem with them. So first thing we have to do is take a picture of the locations of all the switches and relays. Then we need to disassemble the whole thing to replace the relay. Let me start taking it apart, and I'll be back when I finish. All right, we have the last one. Now we need to remove this bolt connection here. We press the little latch, push it in. There we go. Now, we know one of these little things here, we can start pressing down and pry this box when you have this little. Can do it slow and don't put too much force so we don't crack plastics here. There we go. Now we need to push this one in, and voila, it came apart. Oh my god, this one is really bad. I don't know if you're able to see it here. Right here, it's burnt out big time. For sure, this was the problem on this fuse box. Also, one of the legs of the relay, I can see that is burnt out, so we have to clean that and resolder. See what we have to do. All right, now we have to take these little connectors from the board. Turn on the solder here. There we go. This is not hard to do if you have the tools. I can see this fuse box at one time they have water. Here we have to clean the whole thing. See the water here, and this one I'm talking about. One of the legs of the relay is burnt out. We have to clean that and resolder. And this is the fuel pump relay that we have to replace. You see the connection there. The solder is burnt out. Okay, and the relay is really bad too. So let's go ahead and remove that. There we go. Let's go ahead and use a little bit of flux here. You know what? I forget to bring my air filter. Give me 1 second. There we go. Now we're good. We have the air filter. We have some flux on the connections, and start to remove the relay. Let's go into this. Also here. There we go. There we go. Remove it here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, as you can see, look at how bad is the relay. There we go. All right, let's go and clean all the connections here. All the connections. Just gonna use a little more flux here. Sorry, sometimes I forget and I have my hands in front of the camera. Okay. Just going to clean that on here. There we go. Just going to clean this. Going to the other side. Yeah, we fix a lot of them. I don't know, but I think everyone suffered the same problem. It's a different models. I think the Ford F250 have a different fuse box, but they suffer the same problem. The 250s, I think, is a little more complicated to fix it, but it can be done. It can be done. Okay. So now it's clean. It's ready to go. Let's go and get a new relay. There we go. We got a brand new. Let's put like a flux on everything here. All the relay, all the legs. We always need to use flux, okay? Flux help. Let's see this. Okay, I think now it's clean. Come on. What's your problem? There we go. I think now we're good. Yes. There we go. Beautiful. Let's go one more time with flux. Flux. Let's go clean. So one more time. All right, I'm back. Sorry, I have somebody came to see me. All right, let's go clean this again. One more. Where's the... There we go. We need to apply a lot of heat. Both parts have to be hot in order to solder, and everything has to be very clean. If the legs of the relay are not clean or the pads are not clean, you will not have a good solder. It's very, very important. And this is very important too. You don't want to be breathing the flux. All right, that's finished. Let's go and see what can we do with this. This here is really bad. Let me see. I need to clean it in. Okay, let's go and just try to clean this a little bit. All right, now it looks good. It looks better now. Get this away. All right, let's apply. Let's go apply flux. Let's go remove. There we go. All right. Just gonna resolder that. Beautiful. See? Now it's a nice connection there. There we go. Let's go and clean these legs a little bit here. I'm sorry, it turns out to be a long video, but I like to show you all the steps. Usually the problem is only this relay. Once in a while we have one with a problem on this leg here. I think this one is the main. This little relay send power to this one here, to the big one. There we go. Looks good. Okay, now we need to put it together. Oh, let me clean this. See here, looked like at one time was water inside this fuse box. Let me grab some alcohol and clean.